It is the 24th of July 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about a court case. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, Hirondale changed le nom de son festival. Hirondale changed the name of its festival. Next, Microsoft dit que LG va couper la pub McAfee. Microsoft says that LG is going to cut the McAfee ad. And Morgan Rogers arrive at Chelsea. Morgan Rogers arrives at Chelsea. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud, slowly, and see how much you already understand. Now let us decode it word by word. La means the for a feminine noun. Justice is justice. Américaine means American, and it comes after the noun. Justice, because French adjectives often follow the noun. Retire means withdraws. Les means the in the plural. Assignations means subpoenas. Du means of the. New York Times is the newspaper name. So the headline says, American Justice withdraws the New York Times subpoenas. Les procureurs retirent les assignations. The prosecutors withdraw the subpoenas. Retirent. The verb driving today's headline comes from retirer, to withdraw, and it is the same verb you saw in the headline. More examples are on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Les assignations sont là, pourtant le juge les critique. The subpoenas are there, yet the judge criticizes them. Pourtant, yet, is one of the most useful little words in French. It joins 2 ideas with a strong contrast. More examples in the lesson sheet. Le juge critique les assignations à Manhattan. The judge criticizes the subpoenas in Manhattan. Today's word is Manhattan. Say it with me. Manhattan. Keep the ending clear and do not swallow the last sound. Le gouvernement dit que l'enquête continue. The government says that the investigation continue. Enquête. Investigation sits in the same family as enquêteur. And enquêteur, the words of an inquiry. Le juge parle de 2 assignations. The judge speaks about 2 subpoenas. Deux. 2 is today's number. Listen carefully. Deux. Now for the pattern of the day. Je retire. Tu retires. Il retire. Nous retirons. Vous retirez. Il retire. The headline uses the il form, retire. One last time, read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. What do the prosecutors do? Is it A. Retirent les assignations? Continuent l'enquête? Or C. Critiquent le juge? Think about it. The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.